Are you planning to buy a new car in 2025? Before you commit, listen up. While some cars offer great value and reliability, others are silent money traps waiting to happen. From mechanical failures to skyrocketing repair costs, these models have left countless owners frustrated and broke. In this video, we're revealing 7 cars you should absolutely avoid in 2025 because buying them might be the most expensive mistake you ever make. Cheap Grand Cherokee. Cheap Grand Cherokee may look like a capable off-roader, but frequent complaints point to engine misfires, transmission jerks, and a troubling pattern of electrical problems. Several model years have suffered from stalling engines, faulty sensors, and poor long-term durability. Even the four-wheel drive system has shown inconsistencies under normal driving conditions. As a result, you'll often find this SUV in the shop more than on the road. Visually, the Grand Cherokee has real presence. Its aggressive stance, high ground clearance, and sharp LED lighting give it a rugged, ready-for-anything look. But despite its bold styling, some trims reveal panel misalignment, cheap plastics, and premature wear on paint and trim. Inside, it presents well at first glance, with leather seats, ambient lighting, and a large infotainment screen, but the experience falls apart fast. Owners report glitchy Uconnect software, rattling panels, and a confusing control layout. For what you pay, the cabin just doesn't inspire long-term confidence. Despite its good looks and brand recognition, the Grand Cherokee continues to score low on consumer reports for reliability and owner satisfaction. Between mounting repair bills and weak resale value, it's a vehicle many regret buying. Skip the drama. Your wallet will thank you. Kia Carnival. Kia Carnival enters the scene as a stylish alternative to the traditional minivan, but it fails to deliver on durability. The Carnival promises utility and comfort, but beneath the surface lies a trail of performance concerns. Owners report jerky acceleration, faulty sensors, premature battery failure, and unexpected breakdowns, sometimes even within the first 30,000 miles. Its V6 engine struggles with efficiency, and the powertrain often feels overloaded with passengers or cargo. From the outside, it's one of the best-looking minivans on the market. With SUV-inspired styling, bold LED lighting, and a modern grille, it stands out from the crowd. But quality concerns quickly overshadow that first impression. Rattles, fading paint, and malfunctioning sliding doors are all too common. Inside, the Carnival wows with dual screens, captain's chairs, and ambient lighting. Unfortunately, the tech doesn't hold up, infotainment systems glitch, climate controls misfire, and flimsy plastics cheapen the experience. Rear seat ventilation is weak, and comfort fades fast on longer drives. Despite the initial wow factor, long-term reliability just isn't there. Consumer Reports notes frequent early life repairs and underwhelming owner satisfaction. This might look like the ultimate family hauler, but it's more of a long-term headache. Porsche Taken. Porsche Taken should be the electric dream car, but it's turning into a nightmare for many owners. Yes, it drives like a true Porsche. Razor-sharp handling, neck-snapping acceleration, and head-turning design. But dig deeper, and the cracks show fast. Battery system issues, range inconsistencies, and repeated software malfunctions have left owners frustrated. Even with warranty coverage, service delays and confusing diagnostics make for a stressful ownership experience. The exterior is breathtaking, with futuristic curves, flush door handles, and that unmistakable Porsche light bar. But quality control isn't perfect. Some Taycans suffer from poor panel seals that lead to water leaks, and even the paint finish has drawn complaints. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sleek, digital, heavy interior. But the very technology that's meant to impress often disappoints. Overly sensitive touch controls, laggy inputs, and poor integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make everyday driving more frustrating than it should be. Some owners even report interior creaks and rattles in a car that costs well into 6 figures. Despite its futuristic looks and thrilling performance, the Taken has struggled with owner satisfaction. Consumer Reports highlights lingering reliability issues, proving that even the most expensive EVs aren't immune to growing pains. Volkswagen Taos. Volkswagen Taos might look like the perfect urban SUV, but under the surface, it's hiding some serious problems. It comes with a turbocharged engine that sounds promising, but performance is marred by turbo lag, sudden shutdowns, and frequent transmission issues, especially in AWD models. Some owners have faced full transmission replacements in under a year of ownership. That's not just inconvenient, it's alarming. Style-wise, the Taos has that crisp, European design VW is known for, with a tidy silhouette and attractive proportions. But don't let appearances fool you. Some models show signs of corrosion around joints and door frames far earlier than they should. VW's claims of quality just don't hold up under scrutiny. The cabin is serviceable but underwhelming. You'll find a familiar VW layout, but the materials are cheap, with hard plastics and squeaky trim in base models. The infotainment system is also prone to glitches, leaving drivers with unresponsive screens and frustrating tech hiccups. It's not a car you want to rely on for daily commuting. With one of the lowest owner satisfaction scores in its class, the Taos proves that a small SUV can still carry big problems. Even longtime VW fans are reconsidering their loyalty. Cadillac XT4. Cadillac XT4 might appear to be a luxury crossover, but under the hood, the story is far less impressive. Its turbocharged 2.0 liters engine struggles with rough acceleration and noticeable turbo lag, especially during highway driving. Transmission shifts can feel awkward and clunky, and long-term reliability has been a common issue. Powertrain problems and reports of engine stalling continue to surface, making it feel more like a budget crossover with a luxury badge than a true premium SUV. On the outside, the XT4 sports Cadillac's bold grille, sharp LED lights, and a compact form that's easy to park and maneuver. But when you look closer, inconsistent panel gaps and aging trim materials undermine its polished image. Paint durability is also a frequent complaint, particularly for those who do a lot of highway driving. Chips and blemishes appear sooner than expected. Inside, the XT4 welcomes you with decent leather touches and aluminum style trim, but that luxury impression wears off quickly. Seats are stiff, rear legroom is tight, and the infotainment system, driven by Cadillac's Q interface, is sluggish and glitch-prone. For a vehicle at this price point, the comfort and refinement just don't compete with rivals. It's clear the XT4 tries hard to wear a premium identity, but misses the mark on execution, reliability, and interior quality. Consumer Reports continues to rank it low in predicted reliability and owner satisfaction. It may look the part, but long-term ownership costs and frustrations make it a bad investment, especially when better, more affordable options are out there. Nissan Ultima. Nissan Ultima once had a reputation for being a reliable, budget-friendly sedan, but that reputation is quickly eroding. At the core of its issues is the CVT, or continuously variable transmission, which has been the subject of countless owner complaints. Shuddering, sluggish response, and outright failure after just 60,000 miles aren't uncommon. Even routine driving can feel dull and disconnected, and the long-term mechanical reliability just doesn't hold up. Fixing or replacing the CVT isn't cheap either, and it's a problem you don't want to gamble with. Nissan has tried to keep the Ultima visually competitive with a sleek, modern design, highlighted by a coupe-like roofline and LED headlights that suggest a more upscale vibe. But closer inspection reveals thin paint, flimsy body panels, and plastic exterior trims that degrade quickly. Rust buildup in colder climates has been reported within just a few years of ownership. Step inside, and you'll find a reasonably spacious cabin with modern controls, but the quality doesn't last. Seats wear down faster than expected, hard plastics dominate the surfaces, and the infotainment system, while featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, suffers from lag and bugs. Rattles and squeaks aren't uncommon after a year or two. While the Ultima may have once been a smart commuter car, today it's plagued with transmission issues, high repair costs, and steep depreciation. Consumer Reports highlights its declining reliability and ownership experience, making it one of the riskier sedans to buy in 2025. What used to be a safe bet now comes with too many unknowns. Mercedes-Benz GLA. Mercedes-Benz GLA carries the weight of the iconic three-pointed star on its grille, but it struggles to live up to the luxury expectations that come with the badge. Its turbocharged engine feels hesitant and underpowered for a car wearing a performance brand name. Ride quality is surprisingly harsh, and gear changes can feel delayed or clunky. The suspension setup doesn't inspire confidence, especially on longer drives or uneven surfaces. Despite its sporty stance and sleek lines, the GLA has drawn complaints for poor exterior quality. Misaligned body panels, trim pieces falling off, and paint that fades or chips under moderate conditions are just some of the headaches owners have reported. It looks sharp on day one, but time doesn't treat it well. Inside, the GLA dazzles at first with digital displays, mood lighting, and premium finishes. But beneath that surface, the issues pile up fast. Infotainment screens can freeze, key features crash randomly, and the comfort level is disappointing, especially for a luxury SUV. Driver assist features and voice commands are often inconsistent or flat out don't work as intended. Unfortunately, all the high-tech flash comes without the long-term reliability to back it up. Consumer Reports consistently gives the GLA low marks for electronics and overall dependability. It's a vehicle that draws attention for its badge and design, but disappoints when it comes to everyday usability and cost of ownership. If you're considering a small luxury SUV, this isn't the one to bet on, not in 2025. Consumer Reports plays a vital role in helping car buyers avoid expensive mistakes, and these 7 cars consistently rank poorly in reliability, cost of ownership, and owner satisfaction. Whether it's weak powertrains, glitchy tech, or high repair costs, the signs are clear. These models have more red flags than road trip memories. Flashy designs and brand names can be tempting, but long-term dependability and service history are what truly matter. Steer clear of these models and protect your wallet and your sanity from unexpected car trouble. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you avoid a car buying disaster, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk on the best and worst cars out there. Which car surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every one. And if you're shopping for your next car, check out our other videos on the most reliable and safest vehicles of 2025. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe for smarter car choices. Drive smarter, not harder.